6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Teacher Zen. For today's video will be tutorial on how to activate our S-Loan and how to withdraw Shopee Cash Loan. So stay tuned if you want to know how it works. Without further ado, let's get our phone and let's click Shopee app. Click me. We will see here the S-Loan. It says here, get up to 50,000 peso. Okay, we just need to click activate now. Let's click that one. And right after that, it will lead us to here. And they will send us a verification code that is sent via SMS or message to our number. And we are given only 60 seconds to complete it. Click next. We do have here 3 steps enabled for us to activate our S-Loan. First step is ID verification. Second step is additional information. Third step is identity verification. Since we do have already the step 1, let's click confirm. Now it leads us to the second step, which is additional information of ours. We just need to fill in here the nationality, the date of birth, place of birth, employment, company business name, level of education, monthly income range, and the emergency contact. Right after that, you just need to click the small box. So tick that one enable for you to agree in the terms and conditions and the fee structure. So just click confirm once you've double checked already your information. Okay, written here. Enable for them to give us better service, we need to turn on our GPS. Okay, so click settings, click location, and then allow location access while using the app. Okay, we are done and click confirm again. Right after that will be our facial verification. You just need to put your face into the frame. Okay, so I just covered that one since I'm not looking good there. Anyway, just do like that. So verification in process. Okay, so we are done. Application result. Application will be reviewed. Your application will be reviewed for 1 working day. For the finance updates, okay, we have submitted or activated our loan, and that was 1629, and we have received another update. Okay, congratulations, your S-Loan account has been activated. Therefore, the time here, 16:42, 16:47 rather. So, as you can see, the range, it's just 20 minutes. It's not really 1 day. So, that's how fast it is. Therefore, we are now activated and we can now withdraw money. Congrats! You have successfully activated S-Loan with 10,000 pesos. So this is their minimum amount, okay, or credit limit for you. Okay, so this is my first time. I'm just doing this one, enable for you to see how it works. So let's click withdraw loan. We do have here input loan amount available from 2,500 to 10,000 peso. So it depends on you how much you want to loan. Okay, so mine, I'll do 10,000. We do have here tenure, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So this is the duration in which you will be paying for your loan. Example, if you want to select a tenure of 2 months, the amount, okay, to pay will be divided into 2 months. So probably we are loaning 10,000. Therefore, my monthly will be about 5,000. Okay, so I'll be selecting for 2 months only. And we do have here loan protection. So what it is? So this is to provide late fee waiving service and protection. Okay, how much is loan protection? You will pay a monthly service fee of 0.2% of the total loan amount for the duration of the loan period. For the late fee waiver and group credit protection, insurance will be provided for free. For your convenience, the monthly service fee will be included in the monthly installment amount as part of the processing fee. So that's why we do have here monthly fee for loan protection. Okay, 20 peso per month. So for me, I'll be choosing not to have loan protection. Yeah, ganyan ako kakorate po. Anyway, click withdraw now. And we have to enter our Shopee Pay PIN. Okay, our PIN. We do have here the application result. Your loan withdrawal is under review. So this is disbursed to our Shopee Pay. So this is the amount to receive, 9,900, because we do have admin fee, which is 1%. It is 100 peso. Our monthly repayment will be 5,494 peso. Okay, so the time now is 8:07 in the evening. Okay, so let's just wait a couple of minutes. I think it's just a minutes and we will receive directly in our Shopee Pay. So in our Shopee Pay, there is 113.22 peso that is our available. And as you can see in our last transactions, we do have here payment receipt, which is 9,900. And it is in progress. So let's just wait. Okay, so there you go. In just couple of minutes, we have received already our loan, which is 9,900 in our Shopee Pay. So from S Loan to our Shopee Pay. Able for us to withdraw it, we need to send it to our bank. So let's click bank transfer. Just fill in your bank name. So I do have here BPI, Family Savings Bank, and enter our account number, our full name, and our bank account. And if you want to save your bank account, just make it in green color. And if not, just don't click it. Okay? Once you have filled in all the information of your bank, okay, just enter here the bank transfer amount. Just enter here the desired amount you want to transfer. I'll be transferring 10,000 peso. Right after that, we'll be clicking next. So the admin fee is free here. Okay, confirm transaction. We need to confirm our transaction here. So double check the complete name, the name of the bank, and then your account number. Let's click send money now. Enter your Shopee Pay PIN. Okay, in progress. Let's check our BPI account. Okay, in our debit card account, we do have here the transaction history, and we have received 10,013 peso. In our Shopee, the details is still in progress, but we have received it directly in our BPI, yes, account. So it's very easy. You can withdraw it anytime. So today it is 8:16. Okay, in the evening, I will be withdrawing it tomorrow morning. I am now here in front of the ATM, entering now my PIN. Let me first open my bag and put my ATM card. Okay, wow, 10,000 peso. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, that's how we activate our S Loan in our Shopee app and how to withdraw Shopee Cash Loan. So if you found this video helpful, of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, enable for you not to miss any videos. about Shopee app. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.